Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The reason why your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled may be because you made too many login attempts. It can also happen because Snapchat detected unusual activities in your account. Now, to fix a temporarily disabled Snapchat account, if you're connected to a VPN, you need to switch your network and turn off your VPN. And if not, the easiest and best way is to try contacting Snapchat support. Go ahead and open up your web browser. Type down Snapchat support in your search bar. And now click on the link. Now you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. And then from the given options, select the third option that says My account is compromised. And from here now, choose your reason to create a support ticket. Select the I see an error message while logging in option and now scroll down and tap on Yes option next to Still Need Help. Once you do that, you'll now see this kind of interface on your phone. Now enter your username, your email address that was linked with the account, your phone number, your device that you're currently using, and the day since you started having this issue. And also type down your issue in the description box below. And once you do, select the Submit button. Once the request is submitted, the Snapchat support center would look after it and they'd send you a mail regarding the issue. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.